Am I recording? Okay. Bed Wars Kits in a nutshell. Slow. The Lunar New Year kit thing. Sword Gober. Void Red Regent kit. Jade but better. Heirs kit. A person with the spears. Explosive Roman ancient technology. Cause it really is. Spirit catcher. If you can't get friends, buy friends. Jade kit. Haha, hammer go bleh. Airy kit, the new season 3 battle pass level 50 kit. It's butterfly equal damage and damage equal pog and spawn kill. I don't really know if that works, but it's some pretty good ancient technology. Thank you, Eric, for inventing that. Pyro kit. Fire go bleh. Because this thing isn't working that well, I'm gonna just go switch to the tier list video, so I'll just call this Bed Wars thing. Hey, I got a good title. Okay. Kind of bad kit. Meh. It's pretty good. This would be, it would be right here in the old game. But now I'd put in, but before Baker. Good kit, if you know how to use it properly. We all know that. Archer, it will stay good forever. Do not do any of this. Do not go do that stupid ad. Melody, meh. Reaper, meh. Lassie, kind of bad, but better for Inferno. Definitely. Don't ask questions. This is good for a combo that me and Pandy use. I'd go there. Meh. That's pretty good. And they don't have the new kits. They don't have the new kits. I was just watching It's Maddie's live stream. You should subscribe to him. And I was spamming the same thing. The sword is good. Okay, so the thing doesn't deal more damage, but its ability does more damage than the Void Regent and the Jade Hammer's attack thing. And also those things are limited, so it's probably gonna... You don't use that to travel, you use that to, like, so first hit, like, when you're about to engage in battle, you, like, do that, and then you, like, so you get high damage, and then you can easily finish them off. See? That's how you use a kit properly, It's Maddie. You're so bad at Bed Wars, you don't even know some, like, a lot of these kits, I'd actually put them way higher if you knew how to use them properly. Like this, I'm actually going by if you know how to use this properly. That's why I put Wizard up here. Yeah, let's go by if you know how to use the spot properly. Screw it. Screw it. Screw it. I'm just kidding. Yep. There we go. Just straight up delete the skits. Straight up garbage. There are definitely worse. I forgot this kid wasn't even in this game. Why are there so much good kits in the game? Okay, yeah, let's not go by how you know how to use them properly. Not better. It's not better than Barbarian, but it's not but it has. But it's not. Whatever, screw it. It's good. In kit combos. If you don't have Ares kit, just use this. It's literally just a Walmart version of it. And though it came first, so it's not really Walmart. It's okay. But with kit, so here's a good kit combination. This kit and static and melody and Tesla coil, which means that the Tesla coil and that will attack, but then it also has a second hit with because of the Tesla coil and the static 3, it'll like have a second or third hit, which means like an extra 1 or 2 hits. Depending on which static 2 or 3. And then also, you'll be constantly healed because, like, the Tesla coil tries to constantly be hitting it. But if you get another, and then you can just have this guy right on the melody constantly healing you too. Or you can be Light Angel and have the melody heal you. Or instead of having melody, you just have the same, another Trinity, and you basically do the same thing, both of you guys being void, and then you'll just be gods. Alright, am I still recording? Okay. You're way better than this kid. This is just straight up bad, but definitely better than a warrior. Just straight up delete. It's literally worse than Builder. It's just literally bad. Definitely either the best or second best. I'd put in the best. It's a pretty good kit. Just let me straight up delete these two, bro.